This classic pound cake is rich, buttery, and melts in your mouth. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the homestead. Today, we're inside the kitchen and we're baking the perfect classic yellow pound cake. Yellow pound cake is one of my favorites. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and perfect every time. Let's get started. So here are my ingredients. We have half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I don't have any milk, but you can use milk also. 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, vanilla flavoring, and in here we have 2 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. First thing we're going to do is to cream our sugar and butter together. Now this is going to mix on a fairly medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes until everything is creamed together. As you can see, everything is nice and creamed together and fluffy, which is just the way you want it. Now we're going to add the eggs in one by one. Okay, we're going to take our batter and place it into my bundt pan. The bundt pan has been sprayed with Baker's Joy so that everything won't stick. We're going to try to get this in evenly. After we finish with this, we're going to put it into a preheated 325-degree oven for an hour and 15 minutes. Here's the finished cake. We have just taken it out of the oven. We're going to let it sit in the pan for about a half hour, and then we'll flip it out and leave it on the rack so that it cools before we slice it. See you soon. So here we have our finished pound cake. Looks nice and golden and delicious. We're going to slice it. See how moist it looks? And let's slice a piece and taste it. Very, very, very good. I want to thank you for coming along with me while we were in the kitchen today, baking a delicious pound cake. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing so. If you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one.